Friends, Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with Android 10 and powered by Snapdragon 732G processor with octa-core 2.3 GHz and Adreno 618 GPU. Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro runs Android 9.0 Pie, MIUI 10 user interface and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with 2.84 GHz octa-core and GPU Adreno 640. If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.7 inches screen size with Super AMOLED Plus display that comes with resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels with 385 ppi pixels density and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection with plastic back and plastic frame. Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro is 6.39 inches device with Super AMOLED display having resolution 2340 by 1080 pixels with 403 ppi pixels density and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection. Talking about the internal memory, then Galaxy M51 is available in 128 GB of memory and 6 or 8 GB of RAM and also supports micro SD XC. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in celestial black and electric blue colors. Moving on to Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro, it is available in different variants of the primary storage. One is 256 GB with 8 GB RAM, 128 GB with 6 or 8 GB RAM and 64 GB with 6 GB RAM, but there is no micro SD support. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in carbon black, flame red and glacier blue colors. If we talk about the dimension of Samsung Galaxy M51, it measures 163.9 by 76.3 by 9.5 mm of height, width, thickness and 213 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro measures 156.7 by 74.3 by 8.8 mm of height, width, thickness and 191 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with quad camera setup, that is 64 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 megapixels with apertures 1.8, 2.2, 2.4 and 2.4 respectively with wide angle, ultra wide, macro and depth sensor. It shoots out 4K and full HD videos at 30 frames per second and full HD at 120 frames per second also. Friends, if you are a selfie lover, then a massive 32 megapixel wide angle camera is available in this device with 2.0 aperture that can record videos, full HD videos at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro, it comes with triple primary cameras like 48 plus 8 plus 13 megapixels with 1.8, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures with wide, telephoto, ultra wide angle and 2x optical zoom. It shoots out videos of 2160p at 30 or 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30, 120, 240 and 960 frames per second. Also equipped with 20 megapixels secondary selfie camera with 2.2 aperture, HDR 1080p recording at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Samsung Galaxy M51 you can find side mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like compass, proximity, gyroscope and accelerometer. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, hotspot, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi direct, GPS, NFC, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, fast charging of 25 watt with reverse charging as well that can give the massive non-removable 7000 mAh battery is a big boost. Whereas in Redmi K20 Pro you can find under display fingerprint scanner. Moreover, it is having different sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, compass and proximity sensors. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go and fast battery charging. This phone is also powered by non-removable 4000 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both the smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.